Nani, today, what is the challenge?
It's a no talking challenge.
She told me I'm ready.
Walang ko ano talking challenge.
Florida to Galang.
Timer start now. Kakapunta road trip. Oh, ang sarap sa ears. Ang sarap sa ears nang walang makulit. Totoo challenge ha. Pag nag-talk, walang happy meal.
Sad ka? Are you sad? Are you okay? Oh? We're almost there. You think you win? You think you win? For sure. Na tayo sa stoplight. Tapos na ang challenge, okay?
Tomorrow na lang tayo mag-cross ng stoplight.
May papabili to, kaya nag-release. Ano papabili mo kay tatay? McDo?
Hindi ko marinig.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. I can talk now.
You can talk na.
Oh, what can you...
Yippee!
Did you win?
Yes, let's go, baby. Galing ko, di ba?
Alin? Ano yun?
Snap.
Okay.
What do you want to eat? Oh, what's that?
Barbecue?
Alam ko, hamburger. Chicken nuggets. Spoon. Rice. Mac. French fries. Chicken. Oh, chicken. And what else? Ano pa? Rice. Then, last one. What drink do you want? Hot chicken? Oh, or ano? So I know, spicy chicken. Then what drinks do you want? Wala? O meron? Coffee float? Okay, I get it now. Kung Happy Meal o hindi? Tatlo o dalawa? Kapag tatlo, masaya. Dalawa, malungkot.
O, pag kinis mo ako, magiging tatlo. Uy, oo, bili kita. 100 Happy Meal. Kaya gusto mo?
Kapag dalawang Happy Meal,
Tatlo na? Oh, no! It really hurts. Akin na. Gusto niya. Tutok niya. Ready? Now this is my word, guys. Happy Sunday. This is the best day ever. My order. What do you want, guys?
4-piece nuggets, rice, and Coke float, please.
4-piece nuggets, rice, and cocoa. No problem. That will be $20. Joe 10. Here, change. I sorry guys, it's in the Happy Meal.